Hey, what's up everybody? It's your boy Fumbi from Budget Sneakerhead, and today I'm going to be reviewing the Jordan 1 Low Noblered. So it's actually my first pair of Jordans that I've ever owned in my life. So I was really excited to pick these up, and let's get right into it. I've worn these a couple of times now. Love the color. They aren't quite the color of the the Chicago ones. These are, the red on this is a little bit more of a strong kind of bloody red. Yeah, anyways, let's go into comfort. So comfort wise, these actually don't feel too bad. A lot of people complain about Jordan 1s, and these are my first pair of Jordans. I thought these felt okay. The one issue with the shoe is it is a little stiff around here, right? So walking can feel a little funny, and especially if you don't want to crease them, which I'll get into a little bit later. I've worn these a handful of times, probably less than 10 times now. I've probably owned these for about, I'm going to say, maybe 2 or 3 months now, maybe a little longer than that. One of them handful of times. They're definitely in my sneaker rotation, and I don't really have any complaints. My feet don't start to hurt after walking in these for a while. This part can be a little stiff, kind of the tongue, but it's something that can be broken in. So once you break it in, you'll be fine. So comfort wise, these are decent. These aren't no real issues with these shoes. Style wise, these are freaking amazing. This looks just like very similar to the Jordan 1 Chicago colorway. Jordan 1s in general, even the lows, mids, whatever, hard to go wrong with them, to be honest. And when you pick a color like this, they stand out. I've gotten compliments on these shoes already several times. And if I gotta say, when you get compliment, it feels pretty good. These didn't even cost that much. These are about $90 American, $120 Canadian. So I'm gonna get into value a little later, but these are definitely a great pickup if you're looking for something to kind of spice up your wardrobe and kind of finish off a look, if you know what I'm saying. Functionality wise, you don't want to play ball on these. Jordans are originally a basketball shoe. You do not want to play basketball on these shoes. But again, walking around when these these are fine. Some other shoes I've had issues with. These shoes I had no issues with. I got the normal size shoes that I usually get, and I was okay. So functionality, these are okay, but again, don't try to play ball on these. Value wise, these are fantastic. I guess you could call this like kind of a budget version of the Jordan 1 with the whole the Last Dance documentary, which is fantastic. But the Last Dance documentary going on right now, the Jordan 1s, the highs have the prices have just skyrocketed. Like they've gone crazy, going for over $1,000 now. So if you don't want to spend $1,000 on shoes and you still want to get that same Jordan, similar to the Jordan look, cop a pair of these. Even the other low colorways are fantastic too. They're going for around the same price, which is $90 American, $120 Canadian. So you can't go wrong with these shoes. In my opinion, you're crazy if you're someone that enjoys sneakers. You're crazy not to have this pair of shoe, especially if you can't. The highs in this same color are really hard to come around. The Chicago high is really hard to come around. So even the mids are starting to be kind of rare now. A lot of people are buying those now. So if you want to go buy the mids right now, getting your size might be a little tough for the Chicago colorway. And the thing with the mids is, I think the ones that are out right now are black toes anyways. So they don't have the whiteness here, which I prefer. I don't even like the black toe on the current mid that's out right now. It's the current mid you could get in stores right now. So I prefer this one more. And the lows a little less clunky on your ankles. So I think they're a little more versatile for that reason. Mids and highs can kind of get in the way sometimes, but the lows you can't really go wrong with these at all. So how to style these, as you can see in the on-foot video, I'm wearing some gray joggers with them. I feel like skinny jeans or fitted jeans are great. I like to have, I would either go with a very dark pair of jeans, so let's say like a black pair of jeans, or with a very light pair of jeans, so like a light blue kind of jeans. But I've worn these with black joggers before, gray joggers before. This is another shoe that's hard to go wrong with. I say that in a lot of my videos, but I like to choose shoes that are hard to go wrong with. I'm very anti-hype. I like shoes that I feel like I can style very well, and that I can make look good, and that will look good on me. So that's why I don't. Whenever I shop, I don't just look for random shoes and like, oh, these are all hyped up and things like that. I like to look for shoes that I know that I'll look good in because I'm actually gonna wear the shoes. You know what I'm saying? So as far as creasing with this shoe, they're very similar to Air Force Ones. They kind of crease pretty easily, but I find with these shoes as compared to Air Force Ones, they don't look bad when they crease a little bit. The thing with Air Force Ones, when they crease, I feel like you gotta throw those out. That's why I'm not a big fan of Air Force Ones. Jordan ones on the other hand, when they crease, they should look pretty cool. So these can crease pretty easily, but the creasing is not going to destroy the shoe like it would in Air Force One. So if you're afraid of creasing, don't be afraid of creasing with the shoe. Anyways, that's my review of the Air Jordan 1 Low Noblered. If you like the video, make sure you like the video, comment, subscribe, and I'm going to have more of these reviews coming in. And one more thing, this is the box for the shoe. Pretty cool box. I hope to be getting a pair of Jordan 1s soon. I'm talking about the highs. I don't know which pair I'm going to get. I want to see which other ones are coming out this year. I might do a video talking about some of the ones that are coming out, but anyways, I plan to finally get a pair soon. But for now, these Jordan 1 lows are going to have to do, and they're a great pickup if you're looking for a nice pair of Jordan 1s. Anyways, guys, I'll see you guys later. Take care.